Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Allen County in northeastern Indiana, Paulding County, Ohio, northern Van Wert County, Ohio.
This is for the storm right here. The storm right here, that's right to my northwest. That's where that new severe thunderstorm warning is.
Located near Woburn, or 10 miles east of New Haven, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paulding, Woodburn, Monroeville, Thane, Grover Hill, Scott, Haviland, Lottie, Broughton, Wetzel, Wurstville, Edgerton in Allen County, Tipton, Zulu, McGill, Dillon, Townley, Brightston, and Cabot. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging wind. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send you reports to the National Weather Service office in northern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Allen, Indiana, and the following counties in Ohio, Paulding and Van Wert.